Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P0658, also known as Actuator Supply Voltage A Circuit Low, indicates a potential issue in the electrical system of a Honda Accord produced between 2017 and 2023. This Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, is related to the malfunction of parts like the Transmission Control Module, TCM, and its power supply circuit. The TCM is crucial as it manages the automatic transmission's shifting logic and controls, influencing how smoothly the vehicle operates. The code suggests that the voltage supplied to the actuator circuit is lower than expected, which may prevent the TCM from functioning properly. Thus, driving performance may be significantly impacted. Understanding this fault is crucial for ensuring the vehicle's optimal performance and safety. DTC P0658 specifically points to an actuator supply voltage issue within the circuit. When this code is triggered, it indicates that the voltage being supplied to the actuator circuit is deemed low. The primary component affected is the Transmission Control Module, TCM, which is typically located on the transmission or near the engine compartment in Honda Accords. The role of the TCM is pivotal, as it controls important transmission functions. If the voltage to this module is compromised, the communication with other components could be disrupted, leading to potential transmission failures or erratic shifting behaviors. Accurate understanding of the components involved can help in diagnosing the issue effectively and restoring proper vehicle operation. The causes of DTC P0658 can vary, and diagnosing the underlying issue involves checking several possibilities. One common cause is poor connections, which can lead to intermittent electrical faults. Loose terminals on the Transmission Control Module, TCM, can also interrupt the flow of electricity needed for the actuator circuit. Inspecting the fuse associated with the system is a critical next step. If the fuse is faulty, it can lead to a low voltage situation. Additionally, there might be an open wire in the VB1+B TCU line, which is the circuitry responsible for delivering voltage to the TCM. Each of these potential causes needs to be systematically assessed to accurately pinpoint the issue and ensure a comprehensive repair. The symptoms resulting from DTC P0658 can manifest in various ways, significantly affecting vehicle performance. One notable symptom is erratic transmission behavior, which may include harsh or unexpected shifting. Additionally, drivers may observe that the check engine light illuminates on the dashboard, indicating that the vehicle's onboard diagnostics have detected a fault. Performance issues may also arise, leading to a decrease in fuel efficiency or power. Recognizing these symptoms early is critical for preventing further damage to the transmission and ensuring the safety of the vehicle. Addressing these symptoms promptly can significantly contribute to the overall longevity and reliability of the Honda Accord. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0658 involves verifying the problem conditions. Initially, the vehicle should be turned to the on mode, allowing the onboard diagnostic system to begin reading data. Following this, the DTC needs to be cleared using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, a specialized tool designed for Honda vehicles. After clearing, the vehicle should be turned off and then turned back on after several seconds. The technician then checks for any pending or confirmed DTCs with the HDS. If DTC P0658 is indicated again, the failure can be considered duplicated, prompting further investigation. If not, it may suggest an intermittent failure, which could indicate poor connections or loose terminals. This systematic approach is essential for accurate diagnostic. The second troubleshooting step focuses on checking the fuses related to the actuator supply circuit. Initially, ensure the vehicle is in the off or lock mode for safety. You will need to inspect fuse number A10, which is associated with the actuator supply voltage. A visual inspection of the fuse helps, but it's crucial to test its integrity, since a blown fuse can lead to low-voltage communication, thus triggering DTC P0658. If the fuse is blown, it should be replaced immediately, and the system should be rechecked. However, if the fuse continues to blow after replacement, there may be a more profound issue, such as a short to ground within the VB1 plus B TCU wire, which would require additional investigation and repair. The third troubleshooting step involves checking the VB1 plus B TCU line for potential open wiring. Begin by safely disconnecting TCM connector A, which consists of 23 pins and is typically located near the TCM itself. With the connector disconnected, you need to measure the voltage between specific test points using a multimeter. The first test point is specified as TCM connector A pin 15, and the second test point is the body ground. Ideally, you should be looking for battery voltage. If battery voltage is present, it indicates that the VB1 plus B TCU wire is functioning correctly. However, if there's no battery voltage, it suggests there's an open circuit in the wiring between the TCM and the underhood fuse or relay box, necessitating further inspection and potential repair of the wiring. Final repair verification is crucial after addressing the issues related to DTC P0658. The first step includes confirming that all prior symptoms, such as erratic transmission behavior and illuminated check engine lights, are resolved. Following this, recheck for any DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to ensure that the code does not reappear. It's important to monitor the vehicle's transmission function to confirm that shifting is smooth and operates within expected parameters after repairs are made. Ensuring proper functionality is a way of achieving peace of mind, not just for the technician, but also for the vehicle owner. A thorough verification can essentially prevent future breakdowns tied to the completed repairs. Preventive maintenance is vital in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the system tied to DTC P0658. One of the key strategies is performing regular inspections of the vehicle's electrical system, which includes checking for loose connections and monitoring the condition of wiring. Keeping connections clean and tight can drastically reduce the chances of encountering issues related to actuator supply voltage. Additionally, it's important to maintain the integrity of all wiring associated with the transmission control module to ensure uninterrupted communication. Regularly monitoring fluid levels, including transmission fluid, can also play a critical role in overall performance. A comprehensive approach to preventive maintenance can help avoid issues before they arise, ensuring optimal vehicle function. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0658 is vital, as it highlights issues with the actuator supply voltage, which can hinder transmission performance in the Honda Accord. Following the outlined verification steps is crucial in correctly diagnosing and resolving the issue, from checking for DTCs to ensuring proper connectivity and wiring conditions. By rigorously following the troubleshooting steps provided, technicians can efficiently deduce the cause and effect of the circuit low signal. Furthermore, conducting regular preventive maintenance can be a game changer, shielding against similar issues in the future. By keeping a close eye on electrical systems and maintaining best practices, drivers can ensure smooth operation and reliability of their vehicles. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.